Hi guys, so as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram or on my Snapchat, actually I didn't really post it on my Instagram, but if you have me on Snapchat, I posted a bunch yesterday that I moved. Me and Ella finally moved into our apartment, so this is my room. It's really empty. I don't even have my bed out yet. And I'm super excited about it all. And today me and Ella are gonna go to IKEA, so I'm gonna bring you guys with and show you guys what we get. To decorate my room, I'm basically just gonna go little by little and get things here and there that I need, and then get more into like the decorating side after I get the main necessities. So once I finish like decorating my whole room, I will definitely make a video and like do a room tour, I guess. And then like I have my own bathroom too, so I guess I could include the bathroom. But for now, this is what it's looking like. So this is what my room is as of now. So I have clothes all over the place because I haven't put anything away yet. I'm putting my shoes up here, as you guys can see. My room is shaped a little bit weird, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna put my bed, because as you see, it's like kind of a weird shape. I was thinking about putting it over there, but we'll see. And I just have this freaking mess. Okay, we just got to IKEA. Okay, and we have these carts that we don't understand what we can put on them.
Yeah, like what's gonna fit here? Like, can we put some plates? I don't know.
I don't think we can put plates. Oh, these are bags. Okay, so we need a bag. Oh, I think we put the bags. Oh, this is how it works. You can put the bags in here. Because we were like, what the hell do we put in these carts? Let's figure it out. Like this. There we go. I'm trying to find a dresser. What is it?
Those boxes that I have.
Oh, I think I just want to get a dresser. I'm looking for a dresser.
Where are you gonna put a dresser?
In the closet. So I need like a small little dresser with just a few drawers.
So cute.
So some guy is following us around and keeps sitting everywhere we go. And Ella's making me really mad. Yeah, this happens to us a lot and it's really frustrating. He just keeps sitting down everywhere.
Yeah. If I see him one more time, then
she will go off on him.
He will have an issue.
He will have a big issue. She is not afraid. Okay, so far we have a cutting board and a thing for forks, so for silverware holder. So now I found these pillows. They're like square pillows, and I'm getting them for my bed. I got 2 of them, and my bed is white sheets with gray. And so, oh, I love that mirror. Look at this mirror. That's such a nice mirror. I'd love to have that mirror.
130.
Yeah, it's kind of a lot. Yeah.
Might be a move.
So I found this, and I think I'm gonna get it to put in my closet for like a dresser, and like maybe get some dividers to put in there so I can separate my things, because I don't need too much space for a dresser because I want to hang mainly most of my stuff. So I think that's good. And I got a lint roller. I think I'm gonna get this mirror up there. That one is white and it's only $50 and it's pretty big. I got Ella to change her mind and get the mirror that I found because it's cheaper and it's just as nice. Look at her making up her mind on what she should do. We found these really cute candy jars, only for $2.99. We're really plugging IKEA with this video.
Maybe put some Oreos in one, some like
Oreos. Will they stay fresh though?
Yeah.
Can you put them in your cart for now? Because mine's getting full. Just 2 or?
I would say 3.
Yeah,
I think 3 would look cute, you know, like 3. Or do you it's 2? I don't know.
Nah, 3. Okay, so we took a break and got food. I got the kids meal, so did Ella, but then Ella got the chocolate cake.
And a little coconut ball, I don't know.
Okay, that was the weirdest chicken tenders I've ever had in my life. I don't even know if that was real chicken. It tasted so weird. But the cake was good. I helped Ella eat the cake, of course. Now we're looking for lights. Oh, pans, pots and pans. This is good.
Probably just the set that we found on Amazon.
Oh yeah, we get a lot of stuff from Amazon. Shout out Amazon.
So we got this, we found this $25 set, 18-piece set of plates and like plates, bowls, little plates. So we're getting that now.
Where should I put this?
Maybe underneath.
I'm the man in the relationship.
Yeah.
I do all the heavy duty lifting and shit.
Lexi's like really strong, so she's been doing a lot of the lifting.
On the lookout for lamps, and I lost Ella. But I found this lamp that I might get. So many lights, I don't know what to do. Getting blind. I think I found Ella.
I honestly don't know. I'm thinking maybe just wrapping my entire room in LED lights. can't find a lamp.
I found this lamp, but it's a really little lamp.
Yeah, but we need a lamp to light up the entire room.
I think this will be okay for me. You just gotta get a strong light bulb.
Really, you think?
Yeah.
You're just gonna have the only light you're gonna have is on your best friend.
We just found, oh, here. Oh my god.
Ah, I just paper cutted my finger.
This light bulb. Lexi being the man she is. You can't really see it. Battle scars from moving. Here's what my cart's looking like so far now. I have a trash can. Ella's cart's looking like that. Switched our carts and got these carts so we can pick up all the stuff we selected out, and we gotta find it. Okay, so now we got all of our stuff loaded on. Kind of a lot of stuff. We have no idea how we're taking this home.
Look at the size of his fingers. Size of my bed, probably.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get this home. We're definitely taking an Uber XL, but then we don't know how we're gonna get it from the Uber into the apartment, but we'll figure it out.
Go in a shopping cart?
We're gonna have to carry that.
I feel like we're each gonna have to carry it.
My mirror could possibly go into a shopping cart because we have shopping carts in our apartment, like how we moved all our stuff in, so we're gonna use them to put it all in. So we just got into the Uber and we have everything.
And then at home,
and the big ass mirrors. Shout out this Uber driver. He's the best. He really helped us out with moving all our stuff in here, getting shit done. So we got everything into our apartment. Here's my mirror. Huh? I'm not. I won't show you. And we had some guy help us bring our mirror, Ella's mirror in, but we bought all of our other stuff in shopping bags. Okay, so a little update on my room. I got the mattress out. I'm waiting on my bed frame still. It should be here next Tuesday, so in a week. I gotta set this stuff up. I put my mirror here. I'm going to hang it on the wall. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here or not. I still don't know exactly how I'm gonna have my room. I'm still trying to figure it out, so I might rearrange some things, but it's looking a little bit better than it was earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm definitely going to make a room tour video, not soon, probably in maybe a couple weeks, because I want to like really decorate my room cute, but I'm gonna like kind of take my time on it because I'm not gonna buy everything right away. I bought a lot of stuff today, so I'm really happy about that, but there's a lot more I want to do. I want to get some plants and stuff and like some artwork or something, wall art, something. I'm not really sure exactly what I want to do, but once I figure it all out, I definitely will make a video on my room and maybe just like the whole apartment as well, because if you guys want to see that, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on all my social media. Don't forget to follow Ella also.
I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in.